Let be freedom in mind, soul, and body. Faith in your words and pride in your nature. Good morning to the member of the jury. I'm here to say a few words about my favorite freedom fighter, Subhash Chandra Bose, on this auspicious day. Subhash Chandra Bose, by name Netaji, an Indian revolutionary prominent in the independence movement against British rule of India. He also led an Indian national force from abroad against the Western powers during the World War II. A wealthy son and prominent Bengali lawyer, Bose studied at the Presidency College, Calcutta, from which he was expelled in 1960 for nationalist activities, and the Scottish Churches College. He then was sent by his parents to the University of Cambridge in England to prepare for his Indian service. In 1920, he passed the civil service examination. Bose joined the No Cooperative movement started by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who had made the Indian National Congress a powerful non-violent organization. Bose was advised by Gandhi to work under Chitra Rajan Das. There, Bose became a youth educator, journalist, and commander of the Bengal Congress Warriors. In 1924, he was appointed as Chief Executive Officer of the Calcutta Municipal Corporation, with Das as mayor. Bose was soon after deported to Burma because he was suspected of connections with secret revolutionary movements. Released in 1927, he returned to find Bengal Congress affairs in disarray after the death of Das, and Bose was elected as president of the Bengal Congress. Shortly thereafter, he and Jawaharlal Nehru became the two general secretaries of the Indian National Congress. Together, they represented the more militarily left-wing fraction of the party against the more compromising right-wing Gandhian factor. In Nazi Germany, Bose came under the tutelage of newly created Special Bureau of India, guided by Adam Montotti. He and other Indians who had gathered in Berlin had regular broadcasts from the German-sponsored Ras-In radio beginning in the January 1942, speaking in English, Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, Gujarati, and Pashto. A little more than a year after the Japanese invasion of East Asian Asia, Bose left Germany traveling by German and Japanese submarines and by plane, and arrived in May 1943 in Kolkata and then returned to Tokyo. On July 4, he assumed leadership of the Indian independence movement in East Asia and proceeded with Japanese aid and influence to form a trained army of about 40,000 troops in Japanese-occupied Southeast Asia. On October 21, 1943, Bose reclaimed the establishment of the Provincial Independent Indian Government and is also called Indian National Army. Alongside Japanese to advance to the Rangoon and hence overland to the India, reaching Indian soil on March 18, 1944 and moving into Kohima and the plains of the Imphal. And in a stubborn battle, the mixed Indian and Japanese forces, lacking Japanese air support, were defeated and forced to retreat. The Indian National Army, nevertheless, for some time succeeding in maintaining its identity as a rebellion army based in Burma and Indochina. With the defeat of Japan, however, both fortunes ended. A few days after, Japan announced that sudden in August 1945, Bose, fleeing Southeast Asia, reportedly died in a Japanese hospital in Taiwan. Thank you all.